Nyuma ya antobabe the baire guta uturo bwao nyuma ya kurathwa kiri maandamano jaraja thithikire ntuku inkai akari bagete tani onto bwa gutezanirwa gwa sibitari ya Ishiara na ndemere ya baire baba nethiritwe ekithithirwo chonkoni riboti ira yumirite ni bonthe bakwire nyuma ya kugwatwa ni mburuburu imwe o mto ithimi nkuruki bigitigwa anikenda gukinyaniria uchonkoni bwandene nkuruki. Rita Mwaniki ari na riboti tariria.
Uthuthuria wa miri iri ya anake airi aria maoragirwe ni thigari mwena wa Ishiara ni wikitwe muthenya wa umuthi mwena wa mochari ya thibitari ya Embu level 5. Kuringana na muthuthuria wa miri wa thirikari ni wenda gitari Grace Midigo arauga anake aya mari na ndivangio cia rithathi wa mundu imwe na iria ciarikiririe o kura nthakame muno nginyagia gukua. Airi aya mari thiini wa mururungano mwena wa Ishiara kiumia kithiru kuria ekaria mwena uyu matetaga ni kuthuka kwa utungata wa thibitari ya Ishiara level 4. Na baria borithi maukire kurugamia mururungano uyu maratha anake aya eri na kumauraga.
We had two cases, two young men who had sustained gunshot injuries. One had a gunshot injury, entry was on the anterior neck surface and exit was on the back side back. Then the other one had an entry injury through the mouth, but then there was no exit. So for the one that there was no exit, we managed to retrieve the bullet, which we have given the homicide team, and they are going to do ballistic examination on it. The other one, since there was entry and exit, we managed just to examine the nature of injuries that they had sustained.
Waugo ndagitari ni urauga ni mosete kiria kionthe kirendekana gia gutetheria uthuthuria uria urathi na mbere.
So both of them, the cause of death was massive hemorrhage, of course due to the single gunshot injury that they sustained. So we have taken samples for toxicology and also we have taken samples for DNA and further analysis.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbetagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.